Are you ready to learn your color words? You're going to have fun today playing this game. To get started, you will need your stars and your words. I only have some of my cards here. You should have more than me. When you get your cards, you want to organize them. Watch me. I'm going to move all my words over here, and I'm going to lay out all my stars in a line. Then I'm going to mix up my cards and see if I can find a match. This is the color black. Black. Can you see which card says the word black? You got it, right here. Black. Black. Next, this is the color pink. Can you find which word card says pink? Ink. Do you see it? Good job. So you're going to find a match. Next, this is the color blue. Blue. Very good. You're going to keep going until you match all your cards up. Once you find all the matches, you get to make a tornado like this. You're going to mix your cards all up like a tornado, and then you're going to see if you can find the matches faster this time. So you're going to lay your cards back out, get all your stars lined up. Then we're going to see if we can match those cards. Let's see how fast I can go. Wow. Look how fast I did it that time. Can you do it faster than me? Don't forget to send a picture to your teacher to show your teacher that you can match your color words to the right color star. Have fun, boys and girls.